Boss has a warehouse there, and I can go to Porto, really near the Dragon Stadium, and sleep there for free in my boss's warehouse. Poke, yeah, seeing good, man. Don't fight with me, man. Yeah, but yes, we. My old day, it's really I have to put a shirt. I just buy the spot and keep it. I make what 15x on Phantom in the last bull run, but I didn't sell it really the time altogether. And we go to sleep to 6 something a.m. and then we wake up at 12 and a half. We go to work, man. And I on those times
That shit right now, bro.
I don't have viewers in my hometown. Yeah, GG guys. We can we can play this. We have 25 minutes and 3 80s. Sorry, Mr. Wee. Sorry, everybody. We stop the RMT. We go out. That's cool. No, but the thing is, when you are young, yeah, relationships come and go, and she is the love of your life, but after that, so the drive of the car, when we drive the car, straight from our work, that, but okay, yeah, we really need that. You have weird friends, you fucking bastard. And okay, you can have some good days, good nights, but a good girl, yeah, you can choose it. If we can have a car that we can go to the back seat, we can go
It's
easily.
called a cab, though. It's called a cab. You guys have cabs.
No, but at 1
You have
a.m.
cabs?
Of course we have, but at
Yeah,
1
they run
a.m.
24 hours a day.
No, 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 no.
What? What do you mean no?
Of course not.
Your cabs are 24 hours a day, bro. 5-10 minute walk.
Of course, I'm heavy man.
And Trix is like,
And I'm old. Trix, how old are you, you bastard? Yeah, we can go to. It's really.
now. The RL, he's gonna have to go on face cam.
Yeah. Yeah, I work every day. I work every day to 14 to 22 and a half. Then I go see my girlfriend. Okay. You'll carry? Okay. Thank you, I'm king. No, I know that Malta. I have a friend who goes to Malta and he says, oh, that's beautiful, man. Like Chainlink, Avalanche. Chainlink, Avalanche, Algorand. you name it. Interactive protocol. We know some of the best that I want to make it was pay this computer that I put here. I paid 3K on this. Okay, we paid it. It's cool. Right now, we just want to be happy and to live a good life. So,
He's so rich, he's flying 3 hours.
it's flying 3 hours, you bastard. No, but I'm king. One of the if I if I have money, one of the countries that I want to visit is Malta, man. Here and almost 2 months, so it's crazy. Because when we are young, we want something. When we go to 30s, we want another thing. When we get to, I don't know what is that.
Like a bus. Like a
Oh,
public
bus.
transit.
We have a bus. Yeah.
Is that
Bus?
24 hours a day?
No, it's like since 6:30 a.m. to 19 something. So it's really we are. You guys see.
Okay, so my comeback to that, Mr. Kimmy, if your town is so small,
yeah.
why don't you walk your ass home?
No.
How far is it? So yeah, when are we getting the Maniac Kimmy lunch?
Maniac. Where do you live? It's Gaia, really Gaia?
Gaia. That's a yogurt.
Profits, but this year I will realize profits. I bet with you. Yeah, but in Portugal we don't earn much, so I just put $20 every month. $20, $30, something like that. But yes, for all the guys, where is it? Oh, now I can do it. Why? Okay. So we are here with you guys. Let's talk a little bit. Not a game. Not playing a game.
Portugal, much to the disgust of conventional taxi drivers. We had the same thing here, actually. It was a big thing.
No, the thing here is that my hometown is really small. So
Are you in? You're where again? Not Algarve, no.
what?
What city?
Yeah, but you have this city has 20K people.
Yeah.
Where is your city?
Was it because you have 20,000? There's not a cab 24 hours a day or an Uber?
Of course not. We
You
don't
guys
have
don't.
Ubers.
I'm gonna Google that shit. I'm googling that.
From 10 to 2. Oh, that's cool. Then we end up at 6 a.m. Then when we end the stream, we hear a little bit about crypto, or we just go to bed because with the cell phone.
Yeah. So like I said, go have lunch with Maniac.
Yeah, we'll have a lunch with Maniac,
And
but
then you can do an IRL there.
but one of the things that I want to do is making an IRL with you in the Discord. Just scares me to make the IRL because I feel weird to go with a cell phone making a video from Alcobaça because everybody knows me and everybody's pointing at me saying, "Oh, what is that bastard doing?"
But yeah, but then Go, who lives in a city next to me, is 2.5 hours away.
2.5? That's close.
And that's just a city next to me.
Yeah. Like that, you see how much small Alcobaça is.
But that's why I don't like 3 hours.
Oh, yeah, that's bad. I started at 19 because of a, a love that comes around, and that breaks my heart, and we start to smoke. And right now I'm smoking a full pack of cigarettes, and I didn't want. So we'll be close to you.
See,
So
you can plan that for this summer sometime.
in about 1 month I will be on vacations. Maybe we can make that happen. What do you think, Maniac?
Football.
Kimmy complains about what? Like you have more experience. You see what the girl wants in the first. In the first dates, this is what you want in the first. You just don't want to walk. So look at me, I'm 46. Do I want to walk? Of course not. We just want to rest, you bastard. Okay, last Super Bowl. Oh, is nothing to you, and you just go for another, and for another, and for another. And then you came to 30s, and on the 30s you say, no, now I have to grab somebody, like, if you really need that. And then one year something repeats my baby. Don't tell everybody my PB. My PB was 1 year, and right now she beats my PB for 1 year. No, we are
Like
close to Alclasa. We are 1 minute of car, maybe like that. And
so that's like 5 minutes of walking, you lazy
no,
bastard.
it's 10 minutes, something like
Okay,
that.
12 minutes if you're really drunk.
No, if you are really drunk, we lose 15
Sleep on the
minutes.
side of the road.
Yeah. With you and everybody who wants to join the Discord. Just to say,
Maniac.
Kimmy, do this. Kimmy, do that. Kimmy,
Maniac talks about you guys like you're so far away. You guys are like 2 or 3 hours away, bro.
it's really far away.
That is not far away. For me to go see fucking Mustard.
You missed chicken nuggets? Yeah, we missed him too, you bastard. Because you don't hear, but chicken nuggets was singing here, and in one spot, 50 meters away, that was another chicken nuggets responding to him. See, your girlfriend since 23 to what? I don't know. Let's put the camera a little bit down. Let's see if it's better right now. Okay. Oh, it's no, it's the same fucking shit. Everybody knows me. You know what I'm saying? Nobody knows that I'm making streams. But I know everybody and everybody knows me. So that's really weird from you that you live in a huge town. That you came out and you just know the guys who work to make everything that we want. So I don't want to get rich, man. I just want to buy my house, and I'm 47. In Portugal, we don't earn that money. So we need to get some extra resources. And when we started this stream, the only thing that I put on, choose a coin in the crypto world, and we put that on the crypto. And in about 6 months, we will make 10x on that coin. So we'll put. Come on, camera, help me out here. Okay, I don't care. So We worked to 14 to 20 cents, and that's all about that. If it's going came home.
Yeah, because it says your metro stops at 1 a.m.
Oh, what?
Your buses stop at 1 a.m.
You were saying metro? Metro is just in Lisbon and Porto.
Yeah, metro, subway, trip,
Yeah,
buses,
that's it.
and public transit.
Yeah. And we came from our work to our girl. It's we have all the time. For me, a whole day had to be with 48 hours just to us. We run 8 miles. Yeah, we play soccer, man. We play soccer all day. We play really soccer all day, so we can do
I'm gonna make some food. This all puff puff. I'll be back in the
till
stream in like 5 minutes.
till we have okay myself till we had can earn a little bit more. Okay, that's cool. But yes, crypto can change your life. Was free to taxes is keep, but right now they changed that. Yeah, 17. Yeah, with 17 we run everything, man. We go from here to Alcobaça really in no time, and we didn't complain about nothing. But now, as I said that I was 30, now with 46 some girls just say that I'm 35, 37. Nobody gives me more than 37. That's really something cool. Yeah, I saw that. Oh, I saw that. Okay, guys, the stream didn't load the ads, but we just put there $40 for a beer. The other $40 I will.
Yeah, because my
And
city has 1.1 million.
yeah, and you see one person you don't know, almost you don't know your neighbor. In
You,
my
you,
in
you have
my
what
town,
thousand?
I go out to Alcobaça and I know everybody.
Yeah,
And
that's
everybody. Yeah, am. I don't know if you saw Invested Answers. The guy makes streams on YouTube, but that's the guy that I follow, and the guy is really cool. It's really good with the reviews of everything. I'm kidding. Yeah. Have to
done that.
stop and piss and something like that. And yeah,
Then you
but
wake up when the sun's coming up. You're like, whoa, okay.
almost like that. Almost like that.
Uh,
No, but
but see, you're close enough. You could just walk.
yeah, tomorrow we'll go to a party there. That it's the Holy Saints. You know, it's Saint
I
John.
know.
No, if you want to, what you want, Mister Wee? To our girl. It's a 15 minutes run. We just turn on that guy that we said. It's Invested Answers. Search for that on the YouTube if you are on the crypto. That's the best guy of all the crypto. I think 1 or 2 years with her, or we just disappear out of nowhere. Then we came to make stream. Then we sleep at 6 a.m. We start the stream at 10 minutes to 2. Then we go $40 a beer, $40 a beer. That fuck. Fuck me. What are you saying? What are you putting there? Once in Porto.
Oh, Holy Saints.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's the Holy Saints in Alcobaça tomorrow, so maybe make a small stream of the party. But if I was talking with you myself something that if I go to Alcobaça, every some a little bit late. For me, this stream is really trying my luck, man, because 2.5, so we have 15 minutes of car driving to the spot to see the girl. So we just go to a bar, we drink. My alert's not working. Fuck, let's see. Oh fucking. We deserves some cheers too. Yeah. We started at 14, so we had a weird talk every day between those two chicken nuggets. Now the other one sings and this doesn't respond. I think the other one just say, "Where are you, man? Did you go to the dish?" Fuck this bastard. Let me see. Okay, right now it's cool. Ooh. Okay, here we go. So we stream just I can't go to the gym. I want it, but start crypto M King. I didn't make money because I never realized. Yeah, I'm the double of everybody's age except Marcel and Obster. So imagine that. Yeah, we tried our luck. You know, you guys can try everything in your life, man. No, I'm not married. Well, I have some girlfriends. Now I will resume my day for you guys. Okay, let's stop the game. Okay, with the game, we will make some kind of video that we don't used to make. Let's see. Yeah, you guys are young, man. I'm not. But yes, going to walk, it's not bad. Something like that. Nothing more than that. If I want to go to the beach to Nazareth, that it's 5 minutes away from my home place. If I go to use a bus, I can buy a go and camp trip. We pay the ticket like,
Go
and,
have lunch with Maniac in
and
Maniac's
then
area and do an
and
IRL
then
there.
and then I will talk in English, and those guys will say, "Oh, that guy's just making fun of us talking in English. That bastard. That guy doesn't know what he's saying. He must be talking himself alone always." No, it's not with you, Manic. It's general. It used to be like that. So we'll go to the Kimi
Uber has arrived in.
tomorrow. Tomorrow, no, on Sunday night. Came here and say, okay, you are really good guy.
Are you in?
Okubasa.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys have tuk-tuks?
Tuk tuks?
Yeah,
No.
You guys have tuk.
No, no, no. Just
The
in
website says you have tuk-tuks.
just in Nazareth.
You also have buses? Do you not have buses? He's outside of Gaia.
It's not really in Gaia. Okay,
10:50.
because Maniac, my boss, I don't know if you know the music shop. It lost 405 minutes. Yeah, you go long or short. I don't go long or short. Yeah. I'm more with altcoins right now, but not great investments, man. The biggest investment that I have in one crypto is what, 100 and something dollars. Of course not, Maniac. This is a really small town, man. 20k people. You know, 20k people. This is a really small town. Yeah, just city maps like. And it's really cool that I came. In the 30s. Some girls said that I was 20 something. Some girls.
This ain't nothing. Maniac, you drive from one end of my country to the other, it takes you 5 to 6 days.
Yeah, Maniac. That's really. Marcel has a point there. But
Like you guys, when you talk about 3 hours, that's literally a fucking day trip to Arby's.
yeah, that's crazy.
Cause like I've driven to Kingston from Ottawa, which is like 2, 3, maybe a little bit more than that, just to eat Arby's, which is like fucking McDonald's. So like like that's why like what if 2, 3 hours? That shit ain't long. Yeah, see tricks.
Sometimes you end the stream and you can't go to sleep because your mind was really active, so can't go to a bed and sleep. So we go sleep a little bit. Oh, the weekly beer donor. Okay, if you give that now, it doesn't go to the cup of the year. It give me of the year. It will be for the beer. Okay, you can go with that. Yeah, the streamer knows me. That's really crazy because I go to a bar. Oh, hello, Kimmy, and I say, oh my god.
Well,
Yeah,
so I
that's
know
really
everyone
weird.
in my building.
Yeah, in your building and all the rest of your town. You don't
My
know.
building is probably bigger than your town with
I
20,000.
know, but that's the thing that's. But in Portugal right now, we have to pay what? 27% of all the gains that you have. Yeah. You can see invested answers. Search for that on the YouTube, and then one that beats my PB in time. When I'm really good with her, but yes. No, I'm not. I don't have peaches. No, I had too many women. Yes. But yes, in today's, we have a girlfriend. What 1 year of your owners, and the other one doesn't respond. What 26? We stopped the soccer playing. But right now I have 46, man. I'm old as a fuck. How can I make that run? Yeah. It's really nice to see that when we choose, we in this age. My friend and I are in Andrew's dates. I heard about Andrew dates, but I don't know. Fuck. No, I don't go with futures and nothing like that. Because Phantom was going to $5 every coin, and they were 3.5. Then the Ukrainian war started, and the crypto fell down, and I lost. And I just go to not a financial advisor like the guys in the internet says, but go with crypto, man. I think it's because of my hair, but my hair is turning in white. And right now, we'll put more the buy to the buy price, and I keep it. Let's go. So yes, I'm king. We work till 14 to 22 and a half. After that, we go. We go. Sport is okay. That's cool, man. You you've been single for 1 day. That's cool. Yeah, 5 years. It's cool. And we got some good girls, but that was something missing. Okay, that's not good. And we skip it. And then on the 40s, we just choose wisely. And like that, I just buy and hold. Buy and hold is the best thing because in some, yeah, you are in the, you don't pay taxes with your crypto. Portugal was a, yeah, tricks. We can go and we can walk, but yes, we have 46 minutes. We maybe, I don't know, but maybe I are older than your parents, and your parents